Hey everyone, this is a Transcend card V90 SDXC-II, only 64GB. Been using it on the Sony A7RIV. This is like a real world test. It's not really a test because I've been using it, but just for you to as a reference, how it's functioning on my camera. If you're considering buying this, then this is good for you to know. Okay, I paid I think like $60 something for it. Don't remember. All right, so let's get started. Oh wait, I'm gonna do JPEG compress, RAW compress, uncompress, and highest settings for 4K video. All right. Now, let's get started. Alright, I got here is a Transcend card, the V90 card. Let's see. Okay, let's change the settings to JPEG first. Highest JPEG, extra fine. Will be compressed though. Okay. Time to shoot. Alright. So I'm gonna have a timer below this to time how fast it's saving from the buffer into the card. Right now you can shoot some pictures before it fills up again. So the faster the whole thing transferred to the card, the more pictures you can take. Alright, now let's switch to format JPEG RAW compress. Here's the compress, let's do it. I did not shoot extra this time. Seems like the raw compress is saving faster, I think. But by how many shots was it? I didn't see I think it was only 60 shots though. But it seems to be going faster than the JPEG compress. Alright, that was fast. Now let's go with raw and uncompress. Find an extra shot there. Alright, now we're gonna do video, the highest 4K setting possible. I'm gonna change the settings here to video. So it's in 4K And recording settings, let's go with 30 to 100. Yeah, let's go with that. 30 to 100. That's the highest this thing can go. And record for 10 minutes. I'm gonna leave it on for 10 minutes or over. I'm gonna change the thing here to 250. And just leave the thing to auto. Alright, so I'm gonna record. It's still a picture. Put a picture, a video, I mean. Alright, so this is the Transcend card on video mode. Got 40 minutes, it says there. So I'm gonna leave this on. I'm gonna turn up the recorder. So I'm just gonna let it run for a minute, then I'm gonna shut down the recorder, come back 10 minutes, and before 10 minutes I'm gonna re-record again. As you can see, it's running at 4K. Alright, so be back in 10 minutes. Alright, it's already past 10 minutes and it's still going. So it's handling the 4K really well. Now it's up to you if you want to get this card. I just show you how it handles on the A7RIV. If you have the same type of camera or similar to it, you might want to consider this card. It's up to you. Alright, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe if you want. No pressure there. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Goodbye.